Content creators are always trying to find ways to make their work appear fresh and stylish while optimizing resources. So, if you're keen on trying new editing styles, transitions, or improving your workflow, Premiere Pro templates are the way to go. Here is our countdown for the 10 best free and premium Premiere Pro templates for 2020. All items featured are available for free on Mixkit or with a subscription to Envato Elements.
Number 10. Glitch Opener by Arturs Jasens.
Drawing on hip-hop and street-style vibes, the Glitch Opener is fast-paced and dynamic. Text displacement, image distortion, and chromatic aberration give this template a bold and energetic look. This file is especially suited to product launches or event promotion.
Number 9. Kinetic Motion Opener by Arturs Jasens.
This super easy-to-use template in black and white features animated text and over 20 fast title changes, making it versatile and adjustable for both short and lengthier opening sequences. Use the text placeholders to highlight your product's best features and leave a memorable impression.
Number 8. Animated Text Opener by Vladislav Lutz.
In this template, you can feel the old-school magazine influence, and the cut-and-paste collage effect is balanced with dynamic movement, coming together for an upbeat opener template, which comes with a mix of solid and moving background frames.
Number 7. Ink and Water Opener by Arturs Jasens.
This opener features smooth transitions between frames overlaid with impactful text. The subtle color overlays combined with light leaks will make your video elegant and stylish. A perfect choice for fashion, photography, or lifestyle campaigns. Number 6. Zoom Transition by Mark Shelutko. This template uses an inward zoom with an edge blur effect for a subtle but effective transition between clips. If you're editing together a lot of different content or working on a longer video with a layered storyline, this is a great pared back option. If you're enjoying our countdown, be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel to keep getting updates on new videos for content creators like you. Don't forget to click the bell icon to stay up to date and never miss one of our videos.
Number 5. Static Transition by Arturs Jasens.
The Static Transition template is a combination of digital distortion, glitches, and chromatic aberration that gives a bad TV reception vibe. This transition works perfectly on technology videos, action sequences, and provides an easy way to break up a series of clips, especially similar content. Number 4. Dubstep Glitch Logo by Zorin. Now we're jumping into our premium templates. All of the following items can be downloaded with a subscription to Envato Elements. With a fresh and energetic approach to sound and visual combinations, this template is both easy to customize and user-friendly. You can drop your logo straight in, tweak the color properties, and create an eye-catching animation that will work perfectly for any product promotion, advertising, and event video. Number 3. Creative Titles Package for Premiere Pro by MotionShape. Creative Titles Package is a handy premium template to have in your design kit with 19 titles, 5 background patterns, and 5 color palettes, all which can be used separately for unique looks. This modern design is simple and clean, using a minimalist approach to backgrounds and text to make sure your own content is highlighted. Number 2. Clean Lower Thirds Pack by Minimal Movie. This lower thirds pack is an excellent choice if you're looking for an elegant and clean option to showcase text on screen. The text is big, bold, and easy to read, and the 2-color palette makes it easier to separate titles and subtitles, and is also a quick way to highlight important information. Number 1. Modern Broadcast Pack by AE Rocket. This dynamic and colorful package has everything you need in a one-stop broadcast pickup. This file includes an opening sequence, title animations, news headlines, and lower third designs that are fully customizable and ready to use. Just drop your footage in and watch it come to life. And there you have it, the top 10 free and premium Premiere Pro templates that will improve your workflow. Which one was your favorite? Share your answer in the comments below and how you're planning on using them. If you found our content useful, make sure you click the like button to support our channel and hit the subscribe button to stay in the loop. Check out the next video selected just for you by clicking on the thumbnail on the right of your screen now.